Alright guys, so welcome to part 2, that there is a woodpecker on Jack Harley's tree fort. Welcome to part 2. Can't believe we're seeing this, right?
Yeah.
We finally caught it on tape, bruh. Okay, be quiet, we gotta be quiet. You have to be quiet. Sorry if you're whispering, but... Okay. I'll do another, like a minute video or something.
Okay guys,
You're not recording. Okay, he's recording now. So, hey guys,
Jack Harley here, and today we'll be doing another outside video of, there's a guy called a woodpecker in my
we can't see it right now. We can't see it right now.
Okay, let me just cut this out then.
Alright guys, so we can't see it anymore. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of seeing the woodpecker. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. Oh, it's back. Is it back? Whoa. There it is. It's right there.
He flew away.
Alright guys, it flew away. See you guys in the next video. Bye.